If you have lots of time and want a really fresh-tasting, nuanced sauce, low and slow is the way to go. There are tons of methods for making a slow-simmered, classic tomato sauce, so you have plenty of room for creativity and flexibility. Whole tomatoes give you a fresher, brighter flavor than crushed ones. It's a bit more work to crush the tomatoes by hand, but it will help them cook down quicker. You can use carrots and celery in addition to the onion if you want more flavor and sweetness. The longer you simmer, the thicker and richer the sauce will become. If you really love the flavorful punch of onions and garlic, feel free to leave them in. A food mill is a great way to filter out seeds and skin while giving you consistently smooth and glossy texture. You can also use an immersion blender. From here, the longer it simmers for, the better the sauce will get. Some people will let their sauces simmer for 12 hours or more. Add the fresh basil as close to the end as possible, as it can lose its flavor the longer it cooks for. Yes, it takes much longer than both the jarred and 30-minute sauce, but you end up with a much fresher, silkier tomato sauce.